Let's have a look at question 8 now. The probability that either 2 or 3 customers arrive in the next minute is the following. So again, we're referring to the question where we had an average rate of 3 customers per minute. So we're still looking at this mean in our Poisson distribution. And since we're interested in a probability that either 2 or 3 customers come, what are we interested in? Let's write it over here in question 8. We're looking for the probability that our observations, our arrivals, are going to be either 2 or 3, given that the mean is 3 customers per minute. So in other words, we're looking for the following cell. When the mean is equal to 3, we need either 2 observations, so is this probability over here, or 3 observations, which is the probability below it, and we can see that they're both 0.224. So if we work out the math, what's that going to be? That's equal to 0.2240 plus 0.2240, and that's equal to our result of 0.4480. That's going to be the probability. And now let's see whether that makes more intuitive sense. Since on average we expect 3 people per minute, the probability of having 2 people or 3 people is quite high. I mean 44.8%. So 22.4%, the probability of having 2 people arriving in the store, given that the average would be 3 minutes arrival, 3 customers arriving per minute, and the probability of having 3 people arriving in our shop, given that the average is 3 people, is also 0.22, so 22.4% probability. And in total, the fact that this is either or, so one probability or the other, we add them up and we get a 0.448 probability. Hope this makes sense. And by the way, the answer is false here because they give the probability only for one of them. So the answer is false, and we are done.